Hey guys, Sergeant Leonard here from the Kansas City Virtual Recruiting Station, and we're here today to do an unboxing of the brand new Android product, the S-10 Plus. I've heard some pretty good things about this. I think it's a pretty high-end quality product. We're going to go ahead and see what comes in the box. Let me go ahead and break the seal and check out what's inside here. The lettering, I would like to say, is very shiny on the front, indicating high quality. So it's just another typical Android product. It's full of trash. As you can see here, there's all kinds of assorted trash associated with the Android product line. But there is something reliable in this box, actually. What you can see is a business card to a Future inside every box of an S10. So go ahead out there and pick one up. See if you can get yourself a Future. Hey, thanks for checking us out. You all have a good weekend.